Hello everyone, today we're going to make a new school project which is a very specific mountain range, the Himalayas. We are also going to share 5 facts about the Himalayas too. The name of our school project is Mighty Mountains. For this I'm going to use a very solid foundation. I'm using right now this very hard cardboard which is 60 into 40 centimeters. To give our mountains a higher shape, we are using different sized polystyrene squares. We'll stick these squares on top of each other in smallest to biggest order. We have put together 5 mountains which each represent a fun fact about the Himalayas. In the middle we have Mt.Everest, which we have put 9 pieces together to make it the tallest mountain. Now I have used white cake icing to give a real shape to the mountain structure. You have to use a little bit of water to make sure the icing can stick on the structure well. Now we are going to share a fun fact about Mount Everest, that the snow on top of Mount Everest never melts completely, and that is why we have sprinkled some fake snow to represent the fact. We will leave this space for our 5 facts. For the rest of the space, we will use this Ice Fringe from the market. It will give the ground a bit of a snowy texture. If you don't have an Ice Fringe, you can use plain cotton to give it the snowy texture too. Now I have used PVA glue to stick the Ice Fringe on the board. Our first mountain represents that the Himalayas is 50 million years old. We are going to use these stickers to show that the Himalayas is 50 million years old. The second mountain represents the countries the Himalayas pass through. The countries I have drawn are China, Nepal, India, Myanmar and Pakistan. I have made these flags by sticking my drawings onto a toothpick. Now we will insert our flags into the mountain. Now we are going to use this giant snowflake to represent the fact that snow never melts completely on the peak of Mount Everest. The 4th mountain represents that the Himalayas have 15,000 glaciers. To make the glacier, we are going to use a glue gun and stick it on the mountain. We have put oil on this stretch of the glass top to make sure that the glacier doesn't stick on the glass top. After applying the glue on the glass top, I have sprinkled some blue glitter to make it look like a glacier. Now I'm going to peel it off. Wow! Now that we have finished sticking this beautiful glacier on the mountain by using PVA glue, we will move on to the next mountain. Our 5th mountain represents all the exotic animals which are found in the Himalayas. I have made animal flags for the exotic animals. I have made these flags the same way I have made the country flags. If you have access to the printer, you can print a photo and stick it on a toothpick. Or if you don't have access to the printer, you can just use writing on the card and stick it onto the toothpick as well. Now I have put in a snow leopard, a yak, a tiger, a giant panda and a red panda in, as those are the exotic animals. Now I'm going to put in my final touch, which is my 5 facts about the Himalayas. My 5 facts are about the youngest countries, Mt.Everest, the glaciers and exotic animals. I hope you enjoyed watching me make the Himalayas. Please watch more of my videos. Bye!